Hello my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people. It's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And happy Sunday to you guys. And I wish all of you guys a very pleasant week ahead. And of course, I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. And I hope you guys enjoy my content. And of course, today I'm going to show you guys how I came up with this makeup look. Very, very simple, very beautiful makeup look. Using this eyeshadow palette here from Temu. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts at the end of the video. When I saw this palette online, I thought, I'm going to get it anyways. It must have been about $2. I mean, you know, it's Temu, right? But again, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts at the end of the video. It's a very, very lovely palette. Great for the fall. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And I do hope you guys enjoy the video. And I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Okay, my lovelies, this is the finished look of the makeup. The lashes are on and I threw on some earrings. I love the way this look has turned out. Really easy, really simple. And again, this is the eyeshadow palette from Temu. I really thought the matte colors would have been a little bit more dark, you know, because I do love a lot of smoky eyes. And I mean, it wasn't that deep, but I mean, it did the job. I mean, it's from Temu. It's not like one of those expensive eyeshadow palettes, but it really did the job. And I think this palette is just perfect for this time of year, you know, because we're getting into the fall, almost like, you know, Halloween colors, Thanksgiving colors, that type of thing. But I really love the way this is looking. The payoff for this pigmentation is really, really good. Absolutely love that. If there was a name to this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. It's from Temu, you never know. And of course, I went in with this lip gloss from Black Radiance, and this is my chestnut lip liner. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box for you guys. And this is the finished look. I mean, you guys know that I don't like to put too much of that frou-frou stuff all over my face. Oh God, no. I just like to keep it simple, especially since my skin is cleared up. I have different ways of doing my makeup now to just make it look really, really simple and just make it look like I'm wearing a full face of makeup when I'm actually not. But this is looking great. Okay, so let me know what you think. Leave me your comments in the description box. And on that note, we are going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Please come back next week for another video. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. Toodles.